Hello, everyone! Ever wished an AI could read all your PDFs and notes and just build your slides for you? That's exactly what NotebookLM has always been good at, and now it actually lets you tweak those slides after they're made. NotebookLM is basically Google's smart research assistant. You upload your docs, textbooks, notes, even PDFs, and it helps you summarize, analyze, brainstorm, and organize that info. People use it for studying, writing reports, or prepping presentations because it can take messy info and turn it into clean, usable content. But here's the big news that actually changes how you work with it. NotebookLM now lets you edit your generated slide decks right inside the tool. Before, you could have it make a deck from your research, but if you wanted to tweak the text, swap an image, or adjust the layout, you basically had to regenerate the whole thing all over again. Totally annoying, right? Now you can open a slide you don't love, type something like, make this title shorter and bolder, or change the background color, and NotebookLM will update just that slide for you. That's huge, especially if you're turning raw material into something you actually need to present. You can also make bulk edits. After entering your modification prompts on the corresponding pages, you can generate the changes uniformly. However, this is still an AI-generated modification, and there will still be some differences if you want more detailed adjustments. Additionally, you can export slides directly as PPTX or PDF files. However, upon opening them, you'll find they remain in image format and cannot be edited. This differs little from exporting PDF files previously. Once NotebookLM spits out your slides or PDFs, you might still want to fine-tune, annotate, or edit the text and visuals before you share it. That's where PDNob PDF Editor comes in. PDNob makes it super easy to edit your PDFs. Whether it's fixing a headline, moving chart images around, or cleaning up export artifacts from NotebookLM slides. If you're turning AI content into real deliverables, this is one of those workflows you actually use every week. What's cool here is that NotebookLM stopped treating slide creation like a black box draft and started treating it like an editable workflow. That means fewer annoying loops where you regenerate stuff and way more focus on shaping the deck into something you confidently present to other people. That change makes a huge difference if you're a student prepping a talk, a consultant building client decks, or a content creator turning notes into visuals. You still get the time savings of automated slide generation, but now you can refine, fix, and improve without losing momentum. If you want more tips on using AI tools like NotebookLM to save hours on presentations and content, hit subscribe and drop a comment with what you're working on. Thanks for watching.